Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're wonderful. So yeah, just over there. So the underground parking's gone under, but only like that. Yeah, really bad.
We were worried our car was going to walk.
Yeah. About, for 11 a.m.s and about the lens. Yeah.
What a wonderful welcome the rainfall's been in the last couple of days, and the good news is there's a forecast for the rain to continue and particularly spread across southeastern New South Wales where our fires continue to burn and present challenges for firefighters and all those being impacted by the fires. Of course, we're very mindful of the potential for flooding and some of the huge deluges that are already occurring across New South Wales. Whilst we don't want to see that, we're certainly pleased as firefighters, as rural and farming communities across New South Wales and all those affected by these fires to see this welcome widespread rainfall. It's the best we've seen all season, and plenty of people will take a breath and be able to get some rest. Only yesterday we were up over 60 fires and 20 of them were not contained. We're down below 40 fires now today, or 42 fires I think it is today. 17 of them are not contained. So I'm confident we're going to see that number drop even more over the coming days, and certainly into early next week when they're talking about this rain still continuing. It'll all depend on just how much rainfall gets up onto the mountain range, and particularly up into that Snowy Mountains region and right through to the back end of Canberra, where we're still having some real challenges. But absolutely, the size of the rainfall forecast, the amount of rain that's being forecast, the geographic coverage area is the best we've seen all season, and it's the best news we've seen all season in terms of making a difference to these fires.